This is my 1965 Unimog 404 with a diesel engine. It's a camper and it's now time to build on the real interior, because what you see now is just a temporary setup to test out the layout. But first I need to buy some wood, because in this video we're gonna tackle this door and make it nice. The main door panel is now fitting, and the wood that I have chosen is Okoume. And the advantage of this over like a bird's multiplex is if this gets wet, it doesn't fall apart, because the wood and the glue is waterproof. And if you put varnish on it, you will get this really nice reddish color. I really like that, and we had them both when I was young, and the interior was also the same like this. So my plan is to varnish the doors and the walls, but the roof will get another color, and I think my plans will be insane if it's finished, because I have some really good ideas. And the next step is put a border around this plate on the inside, and I will put Armflex on the inside of this panel. Inside of the door we have the original glass wool, and I'm gonna remove it because I'm gonna put Armflex in here. So I think it's still in a good shape. It looks really good under here. There's a little bit of surface rust here, so I need to clean that up. Let's protect the inside of the door with tactile body protect. And I don't gonna spray it, I'm just gonna use a brush. I'm now gluing strips of wood on the inside, so the Armflex 6mm will in between of here. And then probably also 90mm for the big holes. And you need a lot of clamps while gluing. The panel is in and it looks much better than before. And I'm gonna do all the walls and the roof with this kind of wood. I weighted the panel, and the panel is 2400 grams. So it's a pretty lightweight panel, but also the material thickness is 6mm. It's even more like 5.5 if you measure it. But with the borders it's still strong. If I decide to put my fire extinguisher on the door, I will probably just make an extra wooden frame inside of here to give it a little bit more strength, but smaller items can easily hang off this panel. The next video will probably be the installation of the Armflex, and then the final installation of the panel on here. If you like my project and want to help out, you can check out my Ko-fi page. You can make a donation there or make a PayPal donation. Check out my new Instagram about Unimogs and about my Unimog, Victor Bart, Unimog 404 on Instagram. Thanks for watching and see you next time when we're going to install Armflex.